Click the bell icon and never miss an update. Hello and welcome back to Creative Cat. Today we will see this really simple and unique decor idea. You can customize its colors according to your choice. Don't forget to press the like button below the video to support me and watch the video till end so that you won't miss any important step. Make sure you turn on the notification by pressing bell icon so that you will get notified about my new videos as soon as I upload them. You can visit my blog www.creativecatcraft.com for tutorials in other languages. Check description box below for list and links of all materials I use. Let's check the tutorial now. I've made this butterfly design on paper. I'll cut it. So that's your paper stencil. Make the design on cardboard using the stencil. Here you can make the whole design on one piece if you have big cardboard. Unfortunately, I didn't have big one, so I'm making it in 4 different pieces because I wanted a big butterfly. This is the body. I'm using waste styrofoam for body. Make it as lightweight as you can. Shape the styrofoam with cutter. You will need to sand it using sandpaper to make it smooth. Now put the wing pieces together. You don't have to do this if you are doing whole wings on one piece. I'm using this hanger. I'll fix the wire to the body. Put some supports for wings and stick the wings. Stick styrofoam body. I line the cardboard wings with masking tape to seal the open ends. This is mixture of glue, plaster of Paris and water. Apply 1 or 2 coats of it. It makes cardboard strong and save it from moisture. I made some design on the same wings. Let's trace it on wings using carbon paper. You can do it directly if you don't have carbon paper, but make sure it should be symmetrical both sides. Apply glue with nozzle. This is normal thread. I'll stick it on the glue line to make a nice texture. Do this on entire design. And let it dry. Now paint it with your desired colors. I'm using acrylic paints, black, orange, purple and metallic golden. I will decorate it more using 3D outliners or puffy paints. This is the black one, and on purple I will use metallic golden. Now let's make stand for it. Carefully turn the wire and give it spring shape. I'm using rolling pin here. I made base using few cardboard pieces. The base should take all the weight of butterfly, so you can even use POP or plaster of Paris for it. That's the reason I said make the butterfly as light as you can. It should hold like this, and it's ready. If you love this video, please hit like, share it with your friends and family, comment what you like about it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.